from the heart, that really sincerely in dealing with relatives. It's one of a kind, real and thoughtful, loving person. This is a good grade for us.
Ang Cocoy is a smart guy. He could make decisions wisely. He is thoughtful and a loving guy. And I think he can cook also good food for you.
Bianca will be a very lucky wife because Cocoy is a family-oriented person. I'm sure he'll be a good husband and a family.
He would really make a good husband. Isa walang good guy. And I heard from Auntie Alec, he's really good in laundry. That's all. No, congrats though.
Two things would be, first, to always put God at the center of your marriage. You should always pray for decisions, for things that you will go through in your marriage, because by then you will know if it is part of His plan for your married life. The other thing would be to never go to bed hating or having a grudge against your partner. You have to remember that this is the person that you're going to wake up with, beside with every single day. It starts from there. To not hate the other person and to make sure that, everything's all good between you guys.
Another thing is that you have to make time for your partner. Despite your busy schedules, the demands from work, you really have to commit to a date night at least once a week. It's a way of nurturing your relationship, especially when the time comes when you have kids of your own.
Congratulations, Tito Cocoy and Tita Bianca.
Congratulations, Koy and Bianca. God bless on your new journey. Auntie, miss you. Bye.
Although we're not there to witness your holy matrimony, but we wish you all the best and enjoy your married life.
Congrats, Pao. Ina, Bianca, love kayo na ko siya. Good luck.
Congratulations on your wedding day. We welcome you to the married life and best wishes. Cheers!
Hey Pao, Bianca, congrats sa inyong wedding. Happy kay ko sa inyong tuwa. Finally, naitabo lang yun. God bless you both, guys.